Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this V-part wig that was sent to me by Jurllyshe Hair Company. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this install, how this wig just looks so natural, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next clip.
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
So guys, as mentioned before, this wig was sent to me by Jurllyshe Hair Company. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the unboxing and show you guys exactly what they sent me. So of course you're going to see the wig in the box, and they always send you like stuff that you can use. So I got a wig cap, as you can see, and then I also got this baggie with extra stuff in it. So in the bag I received some eyelashes. I also got some clips and a headscarf. So the wig that I received today was a 24-inch V-part body wave wig. So this wig was Brazilian hair, and all the details will be down in my description box below, but I'm just going to show you guys exactly how the wig looks. You can see the parting. It comes with clips in the inside. And you also have combs and an adjustable elastic band. So I'm just showing you guys exactly how it looks, because this is my first time installing a wig like this. So I'm just letting you guys see exactly how it looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead, show you guys how this body wave here looked. It was nice and full, guys, all the way to the end. Like, this wig was nice and full, and it was super bouncy. You guys see me showing you guys how bouncy the hair looked. So let's get into this install. So for this install, I suggest your hair be as flat as possible. So if you have to flat iron your hair or anything like that, I suggest you do it, because I will not be doing any braids. So you want your hair to be as flat as possible. So I am doing a middle part today. So I'm just parting my hair down the middle. So the great thing about this wig, you can either do a leave out or not do a leave out. I decided I'm going to be doing a leave out. So what you see me do was measure the part, because I want to make sure the amount that I'm leaving out is the same amount that needs to be left out for the wig to cover the track. So I just measured it out and made sure that my part was as long as the parting on the wig. And then I'm just parting my leave out in a V shape. So I'm parting on one side, and then I'm going to do another V shape on the next side. So I also went ahead and decided to part out the sides to leave out as well. So that's what you see me doing right now. I just feel like it gives it a more natural look. So if you want a more natural look, you might want to leave out your sides as well when you decide to do a wig like this. So for the rest of my hair, I'm just going to be combing it all together and putting it into a low ponytail. So I did decide to go in with a bobby pin to secure my ends. So I just brought my ends up and I just secured it down with a bobby pin. So this is how my hair will be underneath the wig. Now to install this wig, I will just be using the clips. And you would just open them and put them down into your hair. You want to make sure it's as close to the parting as possible. That way it's not sliding down, because remember, we did not braid the hair. And then you just clip them closed. Like, you could just push down on it tight, just like clip-ins, just to close it. And that is it. It's the easiest thing ever. Guys, when I tell you, I was so shocked when I put this wig on. I was so shocked, and this wig laid so flat. Like, I couldn't believe it. Do you see the look on my face? Like, I couldn't believe it. It was the flattest. I would never do a sew-in again after this. So as you can see, I left out the sides. It made it look more natural. And you didn't have to leave a lot of leave out to cover the track on this wig, because it is so thin. You only need a little bit of hair out if you want it to look like this. Guys, don't mind me. I was super excited, but I wanted you guys to see my reaction because I couldn't even believe it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fix my leave out part. So I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm just using it on my leave out. And I'll be using my waver because I feel like it helps blend my hair better with body wave hair. So I always use my waver when styling body wave hair. So guys, once I waved my leave out, I just comb it through to help it blend better. And this is basically how it looks, guys. This is amazing. Like, this is a game changer. This V part wig is a game changer. So if you guys like how this look, make sure you check my description box because I feel like everybody is gonna need one of these. So guys, that is about it for this video. I'm just here showing you guys how the hair looks. So if you have reached this far, I hope you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you watch my other videos. Shout out Jurllyshe Hair Company for this wig because honestly it has changed my life. And yeah, all the details are down in my description box below, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not already following me on social media, make sure you follow me at nae.simone so you can see pictures of me in this wig. And I'll see you guys in the next video.